C for scissors. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience you caused. Hi, I'm back. Thank you for holding me. Tapos write this down. Is it okay na ba? Yun na. Hi, thank you for calling Truvanas Customer Service. This is Brando. Do I know you? Oh, your name is Mickey Wazowski. Let me spell that out for you and please correct me if I got it correct. Is that M for motel? And C for scissors? And then K for carrot? Is that the vegetable? Oh yeah! The 24 carrots. That is so many carrots. And then Y like you? Oh no, don't get me wrong. I don't like you, but like you as in you. Thank you for confirming the spelling of your name. And is there anything else that you want me to help you with? I mean, is there anything that I can help you with for today? Oh, I see. Don't worry, I totally understand where you came from. I mean, where you are coming from. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience you caused. Just to clarify, the order that you're referring to is the iPhone 5-6, tama? Can I place you on a brief as I check this for you? I mean, on a brief hold? Thank you and bye for now. I mean, bye for a while and I'll be right back. Oh, you want to expedite the shipping of this item? Okay, let me process let me process this for you. May I hold you again for 2 to 3 minutes? Hi, I'm back. Thank you for holding me. Okay, so I already expedited the shipping of your iPhone 5 tsaka 6. And you will receive them within 24 to 48 business days. I mean hours. Is it okay na ba? Oh, you will call back na lang tomorrow? Sige. Oh, do you want to know our hotline? Okay, G. Can you get a pen and a ball pen? Tapos write this down.